3 VALLEYRIDE bus routes in Boise and Garden City suspended during the early weeks of the pandemic are back in service, but riders will have to follow new rules under the governor's Stay Healthy order. Our Frankie KATAFIAS has what passengers need to know.
The 3 bus routes are the last to resume operations after being suspended in March. Currently, all Boise, Garden City, Ada, and Canyon County routes are open, and all routes in Nampa and Caldwell except the CWI 55 shuttle are in service. But as Valley Regional Transit eases into a normal schedule, there are new modifications to keep in mind.
These are our biggest detriment.
The Central District Health Department is urging the community to be mindful of their movements.
People don't realize how much they use their hands and touch other things. Valley Regional Transit is doing disinfecting, and they're working to keep those services that will meet a guideline that will keep them as clean as possible.
With Governor Little's new Stay Healthy order in place, Valley Regional Transit expects an increased demand for commuter transportation. So they're implementing tactics to reduce possible exposure of COVID-19 on their buses.
We don't charge fares, so that keeps the contact with the bus operator at a minimum. Under the CARES Act, we have $20 million from the federal government to kind of help us deal with the costs.
Other efforts include
messages on the front door that tell people to go to the back, enter through the back. If there's someone in a wheelchair, then we have to bring them in through the front. We will put masks on that customer and the bus operator. We've also blocked off some rows of seating to help ensure social distancing.
Buses typically hold about 30 passengers. Now they'll hold a dozen. Should a route experience high ridership, Valley Regional says they're prepared to add more buses where they're needed.
And that would give us that increased capacity so we could try to keep people at that social distancing of 6 feet.
VRT is also asking, although not mandatory, that passengers consider wearing a mask for added protection. The Central District Health Department adding,
we're not going to be able to stop wearing the cloth face coverings if we really want to help protect those in a smaller enclosed environment.
In addition to these health-related modifications, some routes have also been modified. For all of those details, you can visit valleyregionaltransit.org. For Idaho News 6, I'm Frankie KATAFIAS.